All right, guys, good morning. Welcome to, I don't even know, I think it's 8 week of remote learning. Here we go. But we are actually quickly coming to an end of a school year. So just so you guys realize, because it's going to help me. So we have this week, which I'll go over our assignments for this week. And then we have 3 weeks after that. And we do have Memorial Day in there. So I know it's been a long haul of doing remote learning, but slowly coming to an end. So here we go, what we are working on this week. So just like I told you, so today is Monday. I did warn you on Friday. I do have a Google form. That's your assignment for today. And then, of course, setting up your agenda for the week with all your classes, because I know you should get most of your assignments today in all of your classes. All right, so here's the agenda here. I do have the remote agenda right here as well. And it is an assignment in Google Classroom. It's going to post, right? It's right here, just like last week. You can link, put your pictures, or use this. I already left it filled in with the AVID stuff. Just make sure you're crossing off what you get done, right? Make sure that that is half the grade. All right, so then we do have an assignment for the rest of the week. It should take 3 days. It's a shorter assignment than the college assignment that we just did. So I'll introduce it today. But first, let's make sure we know. So Zoom office hours, Wednesday. We'll do a fun Friday again, like we've been doing. If you have suggestions, let me know. All right, so today, make sure that you turned in last week's agenda by today. I know I have. I go to my classwork. Need to grade them still. Oh, I only have 5 in so far, so hopefully that fills up. All right, and then the check-in form. So here is the form link. Obviously, I want your name. I want to know how you're feeling today. Kind of goes back and forth. Okay, and then I have 3 questions, and I do want good thought-out answers. So first one, I want you to think back over the year of what we've done, like as far as projects, what we've done as activities. What have you and you can do 2 different ones. One, what was the funnest thing we did, or the thing you most enjoyed? And then what did you get the most out of? What is something that we did that we learned a lot at? I did link here. Hopefully it works better than that did. Oh yeah, it's working. So here is my calendar for the year. So it might help you kind of think about what we did, some assignments and stuff, because I know if it was me, I tend to forget things too. So there's that. Then the next question is, how do you feel about ending the school year remotely? I know it's a big bummer that we don't get to have all the end of the year activities. How are you doing with that? And what are you missing the most? What is okay? How are you doing? All right. And then just like I said, we have 3 weeks for me to plan some stuff. Obviously, we want to do some more fun type of activity, especially that last week. But what are you most nervous about transitioning to high school that I can maybe help, and we can do some stuff around for the last couple weeks of the year? Because this is new to you, this is new to us. What do we need help with? So fill that out today. Okay. Then tomorrow, what you're going to do, we're going to start comparing some schools to UC Santa Barbara. So I know some of you were in AVID in 7th grade. You also learned and went to CSU Morro Bay, but there's a number of you that were not in AVID and didn't get to do that field trip either. So today, or the 12th, Tuesday, what I want you to start doing is just research a bunch of different colleges. Some of you have some in mind because I read that in your reflection on your UCSB project. Some of you have really not thought of anything. Go just Google search, find some colleges that you might want to just learn a little bit more about. We're not going to go into too much detail. Okay. And then what we're going to do, and it's already in Classroom, we'll post it at 9 a.m. on Monday. This is the assignment we are going to do. So I want you to find a college. So that's your job Tuesday. Find a college that you want to do a little bit of research, not that much research. Okay. Then on Wednesday, what I want you to do is go to the actual school website and then kind of play around and browse on the school website, put like the initial school website link and then any other links that you end up going to after that link so I can see what pages you went to. And then in this box, you could do bullets, you can do numbers, you can write a paragraph, but what overall did you learn about that college? And then on Thursday, what I want you to do is we're going to do a comparison. So whatever college you went to here compared to UCSB. And what I have here are some really helpful links that will help you do those comparisons. My future videos for this week, I'll go over a little bit more in depth on these links, but I just wanted you guys to have an overview of what's coming. All right. So again, today is the Google form, setting up your agenda. We'll do 3 days of working on a little comparison to another college due on Friday. We'll do our AVID Fun Friday, and then we'll start something new next week. Hope you guys are doing great.